On this whip, because it's made out of the hard plastic like that, that's still code. So you want to make sure to keep the washer and the nut with the whip so the electricians can reuse that. So we'll just slide it back down over it and screw it back to the top of the whip here, and we'll put that off to the side. Okay. Now we've got the low voltage wiring, and you'll notice there's a few more wires out here for a heat pump than there is for a regular AC unit. So we'll just take these wire nuts off. And because we're going to use fresh strippings anyhow, we'll just cut the end of these wires right off like that. Now that'll make it nice and easy for us to go ahead and pull our thermostat wires apart and get the wires we need back outside of the unit here. So we'll put those to the side as well. The next thing you have to do to disconnect the outside unit is you gotta get that line set cut. So we're gonna remove just a little bit of this Armaflex here, enough to get back and see if there's any more joints underneath that we want to take out. And it actually looks pretty clean, so we'll just take that off, and that looks pretty good. Next thing you want to do before you cut it is sand it. It's just a little easier to sand while it's still connected to something rather than just a pipe flopping in the air. The reason you want to sand it is to give your solder a nice clean surface to adhere to when you put the line set into the new unit here. There's a nice clean surface for us, and we'll cut it about right there. We'll do the same thing to this one. We'll get it sanded up real nice and then cut it loose. That looks pretty good, so we'll go ahead and get these cut. Now we use a big cutters on the other one.